Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India.
Yes.
Wow, wonderful. And is your name Shaniba?
No, my name is Sahiba.
Oh, Sahiba. Nice
Yes.
to meet you. My name is
Nice to meet
Georgia.
you too. Yes.
My name is Georgia.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I love your scarf. It's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Um, can you tell me some interesting things about yourself?
Uh, Reading.
You like reading?
Yes, I like reading and painting.
Painting?
Yes.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like religions book.
Oh, religious books.
Yes, religious book.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yeah.
What kind of movies do you like?
Uh, I like Hindi movies.
Indian movies?
Yes, Indian.
They have wonderful music in Indian movies and lots
Yes.
of dancing.
Yes.
Do you like
So,
the dancing?
no, I don't like dance.
But in the movie, you like to watch the dancing?
No. I am only watching movies, not dancing.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
But when you watch the movie, the Indian ladies dance in the movie.
Yes.
You like the dancing in the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they have very beautiful clothes, very beautiful sari.
Yes.
Yes, it's very nice. How is the weather in India at the moment?
uh, um, mm, it was sunny today.
Very good.
Yes.
And what is the temperature?
Uh, 15.
15 degrees?
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. Do you have a job or do you study?
I am student. Actually, I am studying in 11th grade.
Okay. Um,
Yes.
what is your favorite subject?
Uh, my favorite subject is English and Urdu.
Oh, so you like languages?
Urdu.
Yes, you
Yes.
like languages.
Yes.
Yes, very good. How long have you been learning English for?
Uh, Actually, I learn in English medium.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't explain in English. Actually, my English is weak.
No, it's okay. So let me help you. Um, when you first started English, what was your age?
Oh, uh, 8 years.
8. And
Yes.
what is your age now?
Sorry?
What is your age now?
17.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can say, I have been learning English for 9 years.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Um, so next year you will finish school.
Yes.
Yes, very good. And when you finish school, what job would you like to do?
Actually, I will go to college.
Oh,
Yes,
and what will you study at college?
graduation,
What subject will you study?
art.
Oh, very nice.
Yes,
Maybe one day you will be a famous artist.
yes.
Do you like to paint people or objects?
Paint, nature.
Nature,
Yes,
like mountain and beach?
yes. Mountains, rivers, trees.
Very nice.
Yes.
I hope that one day I can see one of your paintings.
Okay.
I would love that.
Do you have visit in India?
No, but in the future, I would love to visit India to see the elephants.
Okay.
Have you visited England?
No,
No?
not yet.
Okay. In the future, you will like to visit England?
Yeah, I will come with my elder brother.
Oh, does your older brother live in England?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Very good.
So, yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
Um, uh, do you live with your family?
I live with my husband.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes. Do you live
Okay.
with your family?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Do you have one brother or more?
No. I have two elder brothers and one elder sister. I'm
Oh,
younger.
you are the youngest.
Yes.
Oh, very good. And do you get along with your brothers and sister?
Sorry?
Do you get along with your brothers and sister? Do you are you friends with them?
Yes.
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 You don't fight with them?
No.
No, good. I fight with my sister a lot
Oh.
because it's annoying.
How much your brother and sisters?
So I am also the youngest. I have 4 older sisters.
Oh, brother?
No brother.
Oh.
Only girls.
Okay, nice.
How long have you been using Cambly?
I joined the Cambly 1 week ago.
And do you like it?
Yes.
You find it is good practice?
Yes.
Good. I am glad that you like it. I think you in time you will find it helps with your confidence.
Yes.
Do you know what confidence is? You know the word confidence?
Um, sorry. Speak again.
It's okay. The word confidence, do you understand the word?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Cambly will help you with speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, it will. Good. We are starting to run out of time now. But it was
Okay.
really nice to meet you.
Nice to
And
meet you
I
too.
hope I see you again in the future.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you. Bye.